Hi everybody, and welcome to update 4 of the All at Sea group build. First of all, an apology. There will be an update 5 and an update 6 going onwards, but I might not be as involved in the group commenting and things over the next few weeks. I'll still try and keep up with works in progress and get pictures for the next updates and things like that, but I won't be having as much time, simply because tomorrow afternoon, or by the time I upload this afternoon just gone, my wife's having surgery on her foot, and so she won't be able to walk at all really for a couple of weeks, and then we'll be off her feet for a considerable period of time, which means I'm going to be a one-man band at home for a bit, so I won't have much time to edit videos and comment as much as I usually would on Facebook and YouTube. I will still be around, I just might not be as active as before. But yeah, update 4, here we go. So far there are 28 finished entries and 53 still ongoing, 2 of those being my own builds. There's lots of people entered, of course, with that many builds, and I'd like to mention a few now. Jamie Wrote of YouTube, link below to his channel, as usual has done lots of entries so far. We're only partially through the build, but I believe he's already finished, I think it's 6. So a good output from him as usual. Thank you, Jamie, for those. The latest one was a really rusty, quite nicely done Revell Sea Hund. That was the last one he finished, I believe. Done with lots of different shades of orange and brown and rust effects. It looks quite effective. So thank you, Jamie, for that and all your entries so far. Thank you very much. Someone I've never mentioned before, I don't think he's taken part in any of my group builds before, is Craig Boone. He's just finished the Airfix A4 Skyhawk. He's done it in China Lake Weapons Testing Facility colours, so it's got some bright orange patches on it, and it's just nice to see it done in a different colour other than the standard US Navy markings. So thank you for finishing that. And he's also partway through an F-18 from the new upcoming Top Gun film, Top Gun 2, if it's called that, with a quite nice light blue scheme on the, well, a black and light blue scheme. So it's great to see 2 more entries from someone else there. Thank you, Craig, for those. I want to mention Larry Schmidt. He's done 2 builds so far. One is I think it's 180 scale Chancevort Regulus cruise missile, a submarine launch cruise missile, so it's an all at sea entry. It's a very old kit, I believe from the 50s or 60s, it's made out of wood and hard plastic. What we would these days call a multimedia kit. It's, despite the fact that it's made of wood and hard plastic, it's a great looking build. I did some research into it. It looks like an interesting item. So that's built, and he's also done a US Navy Staggerwing, which is a late biplane, so towards the end of getting rid of biplanes and turning into monoplanes. Quite a smooth, sort of streamlined looking aircraft, but it's called the Staggerwing because its top wing is further back than the front than the bottom wing, so it looks a bit strange, but that's another entry from Larry. Thank you very much. I'd like to mention Thomas Shipolsky. I hope I pronounced that right, Thomas. He's done the Hobby Boss 148 A6 Intruder, carrier strike aircraft, of course. He's done a lot of work on it because it's quite a detailed kit. He's even gone and built the radar array and antenna and things inside the nose cone, even though he was sealing it up and you'll never see it. I like to do that sort of thing. I'll build the detail if it's there, even if I'm not going to see it, just because it's extra building and I like building. So I like the fact he's done that. He's done a really good job on it, especially getting the checker pattern on the rudder. I hate those sorts of things, doing those things, because they never turn out right when I do them, and it looks great. So thank you, Thomas, for that. The last person I would like to mention is Alex Maunders on Facebook, also Alex's Model Kits on YouTube. I'll put a link to his channel below. I've linked to one of his videos before. I'd like a few people to subscribe to the guy. Actually, he's only got a few subscribers. He makes some interesting videos. He's entering 2 kits. He's doing the Airfix Seafire Mark 17, and he's spending a lot of time researching what is correct, what isn't, what colours should you use, that sort of thing, drilling out the holes where they just moulded indentations, things like that. A lot of detailed work, so it's nice to see that being done. And also a I think it's 12,000 scale Langton Miniatures ship of the line Napoleonic fighting ship. That's in white metal and photo etch. Like I said, a link to his video below for that, and you'll see it in a bit more detail. I can't find a picture of the Langton's kit to put up in usually this corner, isn't it? So yeah, that's Alex's model kits. Check him out as well. That's the mentions for now. Thank you everyone who is taking part. Group builds wouldn't work without you, so thank you very much. Here is a montage of works in progress since the last update. If I've missed anyone out, I apologise. Let me know and I'll try and put it right next time. But here's the montage, and until next time, thanks for watching, keep modelling and have fun. Bye.